Better way.
St. Vincent, August 16, Victoria Park, Summerfest. But there, make sure you see reach. You see free.
Big up, aka 5-star General Prime Minister St. Vincent Ralph Gonsalve. Alkaline, you have to talk to the Prime Minister. You don't know. Big up Vendetta. Anyway, day. Big up Vendetta. Big show of Vincent, you know. Big show. I don't see what's going on. Big up Mr. Gold and Mrs. Gold YouTube channel every time.
Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold, and that was Mr. Gold. Yo, shouting out Alkaline to welcome him to his home country. And you don't know yet, it's to link up the Gonzales them because choo, who knows. Anyhow, we hope that tomorrow everybody gets a chance to see Alkaline, who's in St. Vincent, because I know tickets are very limited. And also, I would just like to say, big up to the promoter, the original promoter, who passed away, who was responsible for bringing Alkaline down this time. Let me just share this little clippings with you all. Yes. So rest in peace, Ayalis, and condolences to your family. Sleep in power. People are really looking forward to this event. We had one person say they waited over 10 years for this. So a lot of people in St. Vincent loves Alkaline. I heard his music all over the place when I was there, and I know people will enjoy themselves. So here's a little piece of Alkaline when he was last in St. Vincent. You see vibes? No, and Alkaline was so young during those times. Anyhow, Alkaline will be in New York August 30th. This will be for Reggae Fest, taking place in Brooklyn, New York. So make sure get that ticket if you haven't got it, if there's any even left. And then after that, he'll be in Barbados November 2nd. More to be announced when we get closer to the date. Remember to like, subscribe, and share for your latest news. I've been very busy, but I have a lot more to share with you. So stay tuned. Bless up.